I want to take just a minute here to show you our new truss configurator on our smart build application here at Burroughs Post Frame Supply. So you started a new project, and if you take the shell off, you'll notice that the trusses, these look like the old trusses here. They were just dark orange triangles. This gable truss here indicates the way the new trusses will look. So if you open Smart Build and it's the first time you've opened under the new truss configurator, if you refresh, what you'll see here is hopefully they run pretty quickly. And there you go. So that's the common. You'll notice that the gables did not change. So it just means they're taking an extra few minutes to run. So if you go under job review, and you'll be able to look at the trusses, and you'll notice that the truss right here has not ran yet. So if you refresh again, now you probably wouldn't be sitting here just refreshing. You would actually be off designing your building, putting windows and doors in and whatnot. But what you'll see here is that there are no red spots anywhere on here, no dark orange triangles. That means the trusses should have priced out in your building. And then if you change, so once you've done this for a 30 wide building with 1 foot tails, you'll notice that that is banked in the system. So the next time you come in to do a 30 wide, you will not have to refresh or wait. It'll automatically be set up and it'll run instantly. Let's change the truss size to a 24-foot truss. We won't change anything else about it. Refresh. Turned dark orange again, like before. It takes a minute to run in the background. So hopefully the next time you make a few changes and then hit refresh again, hopefully the trusses will update. And then very good, your commons have updated. Now refresh again. Sometimes the gables will come right after. Other times it takes a minute, so they didn't run yet. So just stay tuned. They will run in just a second. So while we're waiting on the gables to run, because they're taking a minute, I want to go to the job tab here, and I want to show you that you have a option here to change the bottom core dead load on the truss from 2 pound to 5 pound or 10 pound. So if you have a truss that requires a load for drywall, you can change that here, and it should automatically price that out as well. Now the gables still aren't running for some reason. Sometimes it just takes a little longer. It could be the internet, but eventually that will run or it'll error out. But let's do this. Let's go back to the 30 wide. I want to show you how fast that this should load up now that it's already ran. So once it refreshes, it should automatically upload all the trusses. See, there you go. So no delay, no rerunning, nothing. Now, one thing we could do here is to go in and change that to a 5 pound dead load, and want to change the trusses to a 2 foot on center configuration. And we'll just assume that this is a barn door situation, trusses 2 foot on center, where the ceiling will be drywalled. So we've got the 2 foot on center configuration there. That's never ran before. This is the first time, so everything turns orange. And then you're just in the sit and wait mode. This is a great time to go in and add your windows and doors in. Okay, great. While we were adding our windows in, the common trusses ran and came through appropriately. This might be a good time to we added a door and a window in here just to kind of spend some time and wait on the truss configurator to happen. Cable trusses have ran. Your trusses are 2 foot on center with a 5-pound bottom cord load. And that's how the new truss configurator works. Now, if you're in a situation where the truss just doesn't run, or if it runs and there's an issue with something, it'll look like there's a big red beach ball on the spots that's maybe a plate that's touching, or something errors out, then you'll just go through the standard way to, call in, talk to your customer service team and ask them to do a truss adjustment for you on that project, just like before. Thank you for your time. I hope this helps. Get in touch with us if you have any further questions regarding our truss configurator.